So what's all this fuss about branding then? There's a lot of suspicion about branding. Sometimes it's characterised as vacuous and superficial, and there's no doubt that it has to be done with great skill, and as a consequence there's an illusion that is often built up with that. For branding to be successful in the long term, then it must be built on fundamental truths. It must really chime with the overall organisation, and it's very much up to the designers to tease out some of those nuances. So it's not about pulling the wool over the eyes of the audience, it's very much about articulating the personality of the brand in interesting, relevant and charismatic ways. Branding projects can be directed upon things as diverse as individuals, as countries, and even ideas. Our studio uses the expression brand tapestry. We use this to describe the overall building up and the gradual building up of an organisation through various channels, including products and services, ideas and values of the organisation. These are all woven in to the fabric of the brand. Many organisations communicate with a variety of stakeholders who come into contact with the brand, whether it's customers, staff, shareholders, journalists, suppliers, partners, etc. And the messages can be and should be very different, but spoken in one voice.
In many large organisations, the value of the brand significantly outstrips the physical assets. It is obvious this needs to be protected, nurtured and invested in, just like any other asset.
Brands can engage emotionally and elicit pleasure and loyalty.